Phase.
Start battle. Link.
Okay. Link. Link.
2, 1, go.
Oh my god, that's my favorite character in Breath of the Wild.
I bet it is.
Yeah. He's
This
so
is
cool.
why they don't let you on card.
I said nothing wrong.
I guess I'm the one projecting, but
Yes, you are projecting. If you thought
No,
just
shut up. Just drop
Okay.
it. Just drop it.
Okay,
Just drop it.
Drop. Just like drop the combos. Or drop that game.
You drop this too.
Yeah, drop that game. Alright. Oh my god, he's jabbing.
Oh. Second. Oh, I played second right now. Goodbye.
Come out. Get Tekken, you idiot. Alright. Alright, we out here. Okay. Get up here. Okay, and the leg trapping. Oh, but the quarter comes back. Go. Oh, Link sucks. Multi-hits are bad. Alright. Oh, the bomb. The edge guarding. Oh, the hard read. Okay, that was kind of cool. Oh, the Nair though. Okay, Link is above. The Nair not. Oh, and the back air. Let's go. All right, FridgeDuck looking for the lead here. Oh, oh, and then the forward throw, I think. Yeah, I don't know if Link can go off that. Oh, and he's mashing. He's mashing. Oh, he lost it. He's lost. No beam. Oh, Stewart coming out. Is Stewart the mean one? Oh, he's got the bomb. He's got a bomb! Oh wow, he's just skirting at the edge. Oh my god. FridgeDuck is playing out of his mind. Okay. Good back here. Oh my god. This is some classic Link zoning. Oh, tries to get the F smash, but FridgeDuck is not gonna let him. Oh, he's got it out. Tried to read the roll, didn't happen. And the up smash, not gonna kill because he's fat. Big boy. Okay, Michael piling on the percent. Okay, the forward throw, not gonna kill yet. Oh, and he's got it out. Ah, but it doesn't matter. He's too scared of ledge. Missed the bomb throw, I think. And the up smash? Oh, that was a bit sus DI. Oh well. Okay. Oh, the F tilt catching the roll? Alright. We out here. Okay, neutral gaming. Oh yeah. Hype set. I love seeing FridgeDuck play. DeDe's so cool. He always cooks. Oh, the Nair. Grab. Monkey. Oh, squeezes his way out. And then the up throw. Okay. Oh, the up smash. And then the forward throw. Oh my gosh. And the jet hammer? Okay, good spot. Oh, but messes it up. It's alright, it happens. Oh, Link off stage, or Chuck off stage. It's okay. DeDeDe off stage does not matter. Screws up the no ledge trapping allowed. Oh, slowly inching forward. Gets stuck. Oh, and the up tilt. And then throwing. Uh-oh. Back throw. Not killing yet. Link can't kill. Oh, messes up bomb. Okay. Black stock. Oh, gets an error. Link looking for that kill. Whiff. Get arrow. Fun fact, as a reference to the hit game Breath of the Wild, Link can now pick up his arrows. Oh, he swallows it. Swallowed it. Run out these moves. Oh, and the forward air. It's okay, that's just game 1. I'm loving the new FridgeDuck. Alrighty. Between sets. Aw, they got rid of it. Sad.
DeDeDe.
Oh, oh. Alrighty.
1, go!
Brother Pig, what did Brother Pig win? Oh, he's playing house. Oh, he beat, yeah, cause I think it's because Michael's playing Soul Link with practice. That's why we're seeing all these upsets today. Oh yeah. Probably. Unless FridgeDuck upsets me, which might happen. You might get it. I believe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Want to hug me. Oh. What's this study? Yeah. Yeah, that's why. He wants to lose, apparently. But he doesn't want to lose. He wants to know that he's like Goku. He's putting on his training, what do you call it? His training weights. Oh. Yeah. Maybe, you don't know. Yeah. Okay. The big brain, you have Brother Pig is just so goated that he beats House. Maybe, and then you'll have to play House. You're gonna do what to that switch? Oh, in the upper? Oh, got that immaculate DI. Huh? I mean, yeah. Kind of, I don't know, it doesn't really happen a lot. Oh. Oh, and gets the kill, alright. Come here. Oh. Oh, got stewarded. Whoa, this sucks. Oh, and he calls the matchup. Oh, but gets knocked out. Okay. Got a still 52% lead. Pretty good. Stock's not elite though. Oh, and he's getting him out. He eat the bomb. No, I thought it just detonates. Oh. Yeah, if you eat the bomb, it blow up. Yeah, I think that has a hitbox. I know it does on Mario. I don't know if it does on DeDeDe. Uh-oh. Waiter, waiter. Give me without jumps. Up smash. Win the match. Oh my god, he's beginning to believe. He's fishing for clips. This is the scariest DeDeDe, the one that's fishing for clips. What are you?